Having trouble logging into Hamster Kombat on your iOS device? Hi, I'm Shreya, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix the unable to login issue for Hamster Kombat on your iOS device. Let's get started. First, make sure internet connection is stable. Check if you're connected to Wi-Fi or have a strong mobile data signal. A weak connection can prevent you from logging in. Next, go to your iPhone setting, tap General, then iPhone Storage. Scroll down to find Telegram. Tap on it, then select Upload App. It often helps resolve login issues too. If uploading the app doesn't fix the issue, you might need to reinstall it. Click the Delete App button to delete Telegram. Then, go to App Store, search for Telegram, and try reinstalling again. To resolve the login issue, you can also make sure you're using the latest version of Telegram. Open the App Store, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to see if there are any updates available for Telegram. If there is any, select the Update button. If you're still having any trouble, you can try contacting Hamster Kombat support team. And that's how you can fix the unable to login issue for Hamster Kombat on iOS. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, drop a comment down below. See you in the next video.